Get it! All right, guys, today I'm going to be going over Goldfinch, okay? We're going to see about this coin. It's been talked about a lot in the industry, okay? We're going to go over that. We're also going to go back over on LooksRare, guys. We're going to see about these NFTs that made $100 million in one day and see if we can join in and make a play. All right, guys, let's get it. My name is Rob the Water God. I give you up-to-date information on crypto news and coins that are about to boom, okay? So if you like hearing about crypto news and coins that are about to boom, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you can get all the videos, okay? All right, guys, so today, this Goldfinch has just been going bananas, guys. I joined the Discord. I think you guys should too, because they got an awesome program to where you're getting crypto loans without collateral, okay? So that's what's crazy about this. Okay, I joined the Discord, and there's some good things they're saying in there, but they got high-quality borrowers provide expected 10 to 14% APY from real-world activity, uncorrelated with crypto, okay? So you got to get into that because they got some, things that you can do to help their community or whatever, and man, you can get some returns, okay? So I was looking at the early investors, okay? But this is how it works, guys. The liquidity providers supply capital to the senior pool. The protocol automatically allocates the senior pool to the senior tranches of borrow pools. Borrowers propose pools with terms like the interest rate for the backers to assess, all right? So backers supply capital to the junior tranches and borrower pools, all right? So it just seems like they have their early contributors, the people who are liquidity providers, and you get the loans on your terms. Guys, definitely got to join this Discord and learn a little bit more about it. Seems pretty cool that, okay, crypto-backed loans without even having the crypto. Now, this coin only been out for 24 hours, guys, but like you're saying, it's been going down, and sometimes that's a great thing, okay? It's now at $14. I think that was up because I think yesterday when I did it, this was at $10. So, wow, it went up $4 already, and it's still showing red. So, guys, this may be a good coin to jump into. I'm probably going to jump. It's only a $72 million supply, okay? So, I mean, it jumped 6.2% in the last hour. So, that's why this coin is probably getting a lot of... And it's on Coinbase. So, it's at $13 now. So, guys, this is Goldfinch. Let me know what you guys think about this coin. You guys definitely should do more research on it so you can join the Discord and hear what these guys are saying, because they got liquidity locked and a lot of cool things. All right, guys. So now let's get into the NFTs. Now, I did a video yesterday, guys, and I told you guys that there were some NFTs that was just booming, and it was these, okay? It was, the LooksRare, okay? They had where they sold up $100 million worth of NFTs. So the question that everybody has is, putting your money in a good NFT art that's rare, is it a good source to put some of your money? And I have to agree with that, with how the results are showing out. Yeah, you could lose in anything, but if you find a good artwork that you really think that's going to be valuable, that you can get a limited piece by minting it. I'm learning more on this minting and making the NFT, so I'm just getting more knowledge in it before I can kind of go over more. But this is what I'm looking into, because they're a new market and they're the hottest in the game right now. Well, I'm not going to say they're the hottest in the game, but they're making big news with the amount of, in 24 hours, the amount of NFTs that's selling. So, normally they have something where you can go look at everything that's selling. Here it is, the activity. So yeah, guys, you got 36 seconds ago someone purchasing NFTs. So you see 6 here getting purchased. And there's a site called Rarity where you can see the value of the NFT. So guys, this is something good to get into. I'm going to be looking at me some NFTs and just trying to resell some that I know that are good. All right. So that's what I'm doing. Let's take a look at the market, guys. We got a big pump back from the market. Okay. Ethereum is almost at 3,400. Top coins that pump was Phantom, guys. And I did my video on Phantom. And it was, I'll go here for you guys. I did my video on Phantom, and that was one of the top performing coins. As you see in the last 24 hours, where is it? There it is. Okay, so guys, that is all the coins that are pumping right now, that are doing their thing. Cadena is coming up, but that's it for the market, guys. Like you said, we got Goldfinch, and we also got LooksRare, okay? And if we check out LooksRare price, let's see what LooksRare did from yesterday to today. Wow, almost $4. So yeah, guys, but there was another LooksRare as well. It was just LR, which is crazy. And that one's at 0.00. So I don't know which one they got going on here, but both of them seem to be attached to what they have. So, all right, guys, that's it for this video. We will definitely get into the next video and get a little bit more and see what's going on with any new coins that's exploding. But right now, it looks like Goldfinch is definitely something that you got to look into. All right, guys. So, hey, make sure you invest smart and always take profits. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.